What's going on, entrepreneurs, business owners? This is Dre, like the doctor, owner and creative director of Design to Conquer. Design to Conquer is an affirmation. I am, you are, we are Design to Conquer. And I help entrepreneurs and small business owners tell their unique brand stories by providing high quality websites, SEO, email marketing, social media management, and most importantly, systems to make sure that your growth is scalable, predictable, and reoccurring. Today, I want to talk about, as you can see, the Grant Hub. We provide a phenomenal service for entrepreneurs who are looking for funding. In 2024, I won my first grant for $25,000 through the HoneyBook Breakthrough Grant. I was the only African American man to win out of 10 finalists. So I was super excited about that. And that put me into a position to make more opportunities happen. I went out and found more grants, applied to more of them. And then I had a eureka moment and said, let me make this available to other entrepreneurs. It started off very simple, just as a Google sheet that was filled with links and data. In 2025, I used that same grant hub that I was providing to other entrepreneurs and won my second grant for $5,000. In 2026, I upgraded from a Google Sheet to an actual database slash dashboard. And now I provide even more services and opportunities for entrepreneurs. And that's what I'm going to go over right now. This is the Entrepreneur Grant Hub, which is available at designtoconquer.com/grant hub listed below. And this is a quick overview and breakdown of what you get. Once you get access, which is only 25 cents a day, billed annually for 91.25, you have access to this for the rest of the year, and you're able to apply to all of the grant opportunities. As a start, it's very important to have some mental understanding. So you always want to start early, apply to these opportunities at least a week or two or up to 3 weeks in advance. You want to tailor each one of your responses and application and make sure that you are talking the language that the grantor wants to hear. You want to make sure that you do follow-ups, check in and make sure that any applications you sent are sent in and see where you stand. And you always want to learn from rejection. If you don't get the grant, you want to reach out to the grantor and see whether or not there is ways for you to improve. That way they're able to implement those changes and improve at the next grant opportunity. And here is the list, the grant hub, and what it looks like. Each month we list out the opportunities: April, May, June, July. We're currently here in March, which at the bottom you see has 59 opportunities for over $3 million. April is at $1 million. May, 13,000. June, 7,000. July, 150,000. And so once you have access again, you're able to apply to all of these grants. Like the first step is you want to apply early. So you want to take advantage of all of these opportunities once the Grant Hub is updated. So how does it work? You want to go into filters here on the left-hand side. You can also sort and change the way that you see. You can do it ascending, you can do it by date. And you click on filter. And once you're on filter, you want to click add. You want to sort by industry. This makes it super fast. We have multiple options for industries. We have popular ones like nonprofit, women-owned businesses, so on and so forth. And let's just say that you're a woman-owned business, right? And so once you click woman-owned business, it will provide you only the opportunities that pertain to you. You can then also add the following months, making one document versus having to go tab by tab. The main thing that I like to talk about is saving time. Time is the most precious resource that we have, and it's non-refundable. So once you spend time, you can never get it back. And what I'm all about is saving time. Something simple like this is a time saver, and it makes applying for grants even faster. So literally all you do is you click apply. The link is over here, and you follow what the instructions are for that opportunity. Again, You just go to the URL. We have the dates, the amounts. You already know the industry, and then any notes. So if you're not into social impact, you may not want to apply to this. If you don't live in Connecticut, you won't be able to be eligible for this opportunity. If you don't want to spend $15, you won't want to apply to this, right? And so these are more tools and assets to help you save time. Speaking of tools and assets, I have things like the most popular online tools that I use. Here's a long list in alphabetical order of tools that I use to save me time and make things even faster for my business. Once we're there, we also have our AI grant writer, which is one of the most popular features that entrepreneurs within the community like. We call her Cam. And what she does is provide the grant writing resources for you. So you want to spend a few minutes here supplying her with information about yourself as well as your company so that she can write the best the best responses to the grant applications for you. You put in your information, what your business does, and then she'll learn from that and then be able to curate responses based off of the information you provide. Outside of that, we also have a few discounts and free information just to make sure that you are as polished as you can be online. These are just a few of the quick options that we have here at Design to Conquer, helping entrepreneurs now conquer grant writing, grant funding. Make sure that you visit the link down below, designtoconquer.com/grant hub, to get access. And once you get there, this is what it'll look like. Again, it'll give you how it works, which will be a video of the walkthrough that we kind of just did. We could then go back up and just click instant access. Once you're here, you're only paying 25 cents per day, which is $91.25 billed annually. Once you click get access, you'll be able to sign up right there. And since you made it to the end of this video, what I'll give you is this promo code, Grant20. Once you click apply, you get 20% off, saving you even more money. And you get this opportunity now for just $73. I hope that this video was helpful. Oh, snap. I realized I didn't show you guys. There we go. So sorry. So just to repeat that, you'll go in here to the Grant Hub. You can then click see how it works. It'll give you access to this short video. And then from there, you click get instant access. And for 25 cents per day, which is $91.25 for the year, you click get access. Once you click get access, since you made it to the end of this video, you'll use Grant20, click apply, and you'll get 20% off at checkout. Again, I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to reach out to me with any additional questions and make sure that you conquer your industry. Take care.